Who actually uses ClickUp? You've probably heard of ClickUp. It's that all-in-one productivity tool promising to revolutionize work management. But who's actually using it? Is it just for tech startups and remote teams, or is it something your grandma could handle? Let's dive in. First things first, let's dispel a myth. ClickUp isn't just for techies. It's designed to be versatile, accommodating everyone from the seasoned project manager to the casual task list creator. But that doesn't mean everyone is using it to its full potential. So who are the ClickUp champions? Freelancers and solopreneurs. You'd be surprised how many freelancers swear by ClickUp. It's more than just task management for them. It's their virtual office. From invoicing to time tracking, from project planning to client communication, ClickUp becomes their command center. The ability to customize workflows to suit individual needs is a huge draw for this group. Small businesses. Small businesses are discovering that ClickUp can be a game changer. It helps them stay organized, collaborate effectively, and manage projects efficiently. From the marketing team to customer support, everyone can benefit from a centralized platform. Plus, it's often more affordable than buying multiple tools. Marketing and creative teams. Agencies and in-house marketing teams love ClickUp for its flexibility. It can handle everything from brainstorming sessions to campaign management. The visual interface and ability to create custom views make it a favorite for teams dealing with a lot of moving parts. Tech startups and scale-ups. This is where ClickUp really shines. Agile methodologies, sprints, and constant iteration are the bread and butter of startups. ClickUp's ability to handle complex projects, integrate with other tools, and scale with the company makes it a natural fit. Nonprofits and NGOs. You might not expect it, but many nonprofits and NGOs are using ClickUp to manage their operations. From volunteer scheduling to grant management, it helps them stay organized and efficient. The ability to collaborate with remote teams is also a huge plus for organizations with a global reach. Educational institutions. From schools to universities, ClickUp is finding its way into classrooms and administrative offices. It's used for everything from course management to student project collaboration. The ability to customize workflows for different departments makes it a versatile tool for educational institutions. But here's the thing. While these are the primary user groups, ClickUp's potential is vast. Its adaptability means it can be tailored to almost any industry or team. The key is understanding how to leverage its features to fit your specific needs. So, are you using ClickUp to its full potential? If not, you might be missing out on a productivity boost. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.